we're going to try to recover a forgotten password, and here's facts about the password. It's a 6-digit number. The value is in the range we're going to give you. Two adjacent digits are the same, like 22, and the digits only increase, they never decrease. So 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3 is okay. 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 9 is okay. It only goes to right. So this meets the criteria. The 1 never decreases. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0 fails because 5 goes to 0 and 0 is smaller. 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9 has no double. So you have to have at least one double and monotonically increasing. So here's your puzzle input. And how many different, so here's the range. This means this 6-digit number up to that 6-digit number. So there's about 500,000 passwords in there. So you have to generate all those 500,000 integers, turn them into strings, and check to see if they meet these criteria. And found out how many of them meet the criteria. It'll be some number up to about 500,000. And then you add another detail. The two adjacent matching digits are not part of a larger group of matching digits. So this one, I see. This one fails because the only pair is 44, and that's part of a triplet. This one meets it because even though there are multiple pairs, there's no pair that's more than 2. Or to be more exact, there is at least one pair that is not a triplet or anything longer. Here it fails. No, this meets their criteria because the 2 is a pair that isn't a member of a larger group, and it's okay if there's other groups. This is the one that fails because the only pair that exists is a part of a larger group. Okay, fair enough. So now you have that condition to implement as well. All right, that's all for that one.